This is the amount of money that you can also start making on Twitter, which is now called X. Today I have some exciting news about how X is changing the game for all of us who loves to post and who likes to engage online. This is our opportunity, and the good thing about X is that anybody around the world can start making money on this platform right now. It doesn't matter where you're from, you can start earning money on Twitter, which is now X. So in this video, let's dive in to see step by step on how you can start making more than $15,000 in a month, which is very possible. I'm going to show you how much people are making on this platform, and it's crazy. So let's dive in and see what are the requirements and what you have to do to make sure that you are starting earning this kind of money on this platform, which is X. Why X is paying all the content creators around the world? Let's say that you posted something on your X account and people may be interested in what you're posting, so they go down there and comment anything that they may be interested to comment. And now this is where magic happens. This platform X is going to show relevant ads within your comment thread. That's the reason you're getting paid just after X platform placing ads below your post. Let's talk about the checkpoint that you need to hit to start earning on X. First of all, you need to subscribe on X Premium. This is a special subscription that costs around $80 per month, and this will be your ticket to unlock all these earning opportunities on this platform. So you need to be verified before start earning on Twitter, and for you to be verified, you need to pay at least $8 every single month in a year, and this will be your ticket to start making money on this platform. So you have to go for it and make sure that you're paying this kind of money, $8 per month, and start making money on this platform X. The other important thing for you to start making money on this platform, you need to have at least 500 subscribers. If you have more than 500 followers, that means that you're eligible to apply to this application for you to start making money and for you to become X partner of revenue ads sharing. This is our last requirement. You need to have at least 5 million impressions. More than 5 million people have to see your post, and it's really possible. Let's say that you're posting like every single day and people are interested in what you're posting and they engage by commenting or replying to your post. This can lead to have more than 5 million impressions. So you have to make sure that you consider these 3 requirements for you to be eligible to this platform. And it's really not hard like other platform. Let's say that YouTube, it's really hard to get more than 4,000 watch hours and also to get more than 1,000 subscribers. It's really not easy comparing to X. So this platform is giving chance to all content creators around the world who can do this, who are willing to do this and start earning money. So if you fulfill all the requirements, you're ready to go and start making money on this platform as other creators. And I'm going to show you how much people are making on this platform so that you really cannot waste any time for you to start saying that you're going to start next month or you're going to start next year. This is a right chance for you to start making money right away. So I'm going to show you all the receipts on how much people are making on this platform, and it's crazy. This X user, he made more than $15,000 within 3 months on this platform, so that you can see many people are making this kind of money. So you can also make this kind of money on this platform if you keep posting every single day and make sure that you attract different followers or different users on this platform to engage on your post. This other user, he made more than £13,000, and you can see many people are making this kind of money on this platform. So why not try to this platform? And I'm going to show you how you can maximize your earning from $100 to $1,000 to more than $15,000. It's very easy if you understand, and you have to do what I'm going to tell you in this video. So these are the strategies for you to maximize your earning on this platform. First of all, you need to practice the 3 C's. This is like the most important thing for you to consider on this platform: consistency, creativity, and connection. You need to have genuine connection with your audience, but also you need to be consistent. You need to post like every single day on this platform. It will be more easier for your post to get engagement like every day. Many people will be interested to engage on your tweets, on your post, because you're posting every single day. You need to become conversational starter. Have you ever been in a room and someone says something interesting and all of a sudden everybody's talking about that topic? You need to become like that. You need to post something which you think that is going to attract new followers, is going to attract new people to share their ideas, to share their thoughts on your topic, and this will help people to engage on your post, and this is going to lead to high impressions so that you can make a lot of money on this platform. The other thing for you to start doing after posting, you need to respond to your comments. It's a really important thing, and most of successful creators are doing this. When you respond to different comments on your post, this will help many people to come again, keep commenting on your post, and this will lead to high engagements and many people just be interested to talk to you. The other thing is that you need to grab attention. And how can you grab people's attention on this platform? Because there are too many creators who are producing very amazing content on this platform, so you need to be different and unique by posting something with a eye-catching. You need to post video, you need to post a picture that you think that is going to grab attention from people. It's going to be eye-catching, and it will be more easier to make people start engaging on your post. So you need to post something crazy, something that you think it will be like the source of engagement on your post. You as a content creator on this platform, you also need to spread love, you also need to engage. It's very important to go to other content creators and see what they're posting and start liking, commenting. This will be more useful to you. And always remember that it's really not about chasing numbers. I know we all love money, I know we all want to have money, we all need to be successful, but first of all you need to consider about building this trusted community. This is a very important thing, and I encourage you to do this. And when you post anything on this platform, you have to think on your mind how this thing that I'm posting right now is going to add value to different people around the world. Because when you post, expect that many people are going to see your post. This is going to get like high impression. So how are you going to change people's life through your post? How are you going to add like positive vibe to different people around the world? And when you do so, I guarantee you that you're just going to get like high impression. You're just going to get what you wanted. Of course, you are just going to get money, and this is the point of this video. We all want to make money so that we can make good living. But before making money, you need to think about how are you going to be of any influence to people around the world? How are you going to be positive to people around you? And how are you going to build like this trusted community who are going to follow you with a lot of trust? This is a very important thing for you to understand. And I want to tell you the last thing. This is really not going to take like a day. Is really not overnight success. It's going to take some time. It can take 2 weeks, it can take a month, 2 months, 3 months, but you need to at least have 500 followers. But also you need to pay $80 for X premium, but also you need to have at least 5 million inflation, which is not a lot of people. But at least you need to post regularly. You need to post like every single day for you to get this success easier and sooner. So thanks so much for watching my videos. I appreciate for your time. My name is David. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.